What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Iowa, and welcome back to a spooky episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some dirt and worms, and you're saying to yourself, Black Iowa, dirt and worms? You out there digging in the backyard trying to serve it to somebody, you old nasty? No. Halloween is right around the corner, and I want to make a little treat, a sweet treat, and something good to eat with an old spooky theme. And this is something we used to get back in school when we was kids. You know, they'd roll that TV into class on around Halloween, and they'd let us watch a little movie. What would we be watching in there? Something like Hellraiser 2? No, well, more like Snoopy or something. Anyway, somebody's mama would make this, bring it in, and it was good stuff. And I'm gonna make it today. Now the thing about it is, it's gonna be cheapo, goodo, not like that damn candy. Because I bought candy the other day, and I'm walking around the aisle going, "Where's the cheap stuff at? Where's the cheap stuff at?" Somebody texted me now to see where the cheap stuff's at. And I'm gonna tell you something. Ain't no cheap stuff. It ain't there because everything's so damn expensive anymore. But this, not too bad. Be nice, gonna be good for the price. So let's get on it before something comes around the corner and scares us twice. Now, first thing you want to do, you make this good little treat. Got to get some mud out there, kind of like the old zombie crawling over it. Now, this is just old chocolate pudding. Watch out for Cosby. That's a little scary too. Just some old chocolate pudding, make it like the back of the box says. I'm making a double batch because I want double boiling trouble for me, a bubble right here. So we'll go ahead and make that, set that in the fridge, let it cool, buddy. Now, while it's cooling, let's go ahead and crush up some cookies because we got to make that look like some old dirt out there, something scary, like an old ghost was walking around that corner and he said, "Look at that dirt pile up over there, but it looks good." Now, thing about it is you should really pull out the center of the Oreo, but you know this ain't no Oreo, this is a store brand. And I should really pull it apart like this and make a wish and say, "I hope you get lots of candy, I hope you get a Reese's Piece," and take that stuff out in the middle. But you know me, buddy, I get time for that shit's up. I'm just gonna crush it up and pretend there's a little snow in the mud, dude. Now, once you get that done, let's go ahead and get us a cup. And that's the other thing too. You could get a bunch of clear cups. If he was going to have you a party, me having a party of one out here, maybe party of 5. Watching tonight that's damn scary too. That I remember that. I'm getting old. And put these cups out there. Let's go ahead and get our stuff. Let's put a little bit of that crushed cookie down at the bottom, and watch out for Frankenstein looking around the corner saying, "Give me some of that. Give me some of that." Tell him, "Get your hand out of there, Franken boy." Now, put your cookie on the bottom. Get you a little bit of that pudding, me boy. Put that in there too. And I like to stop a little ways up. Add a little more cookie, a little more pudding, top it with some cookie, and then we'll get our gummy worms. They ain't them trolley bright crawlers. Got that damn money for that shit. We're gonna get this cheapo goodo ready to go today, put them on top, and then I think we're ready for a spooky sight and a damn spooky bite of these worms and dirt tonight. It's so damn spooky I couldn't remember the name, but I'm about to remember this, so. Alright, buddy, the time has come. The worms and dirt are done, and I'm coming around that corner to have that first spooky bite for my damn self. Watch out. Dip in here and get a little bit of this. I know I'm a damn mess, yeah. I'm looking at that worm, yeah. Ain't no dirt without a damn worm. Oh, yeah. That takes me back, boy. A childhood treat, man. There's something where it's like, wow, man, scientist creation, because you think, gummy worm don't go with no chocolate shit. Kind of give it a little offsetting sweet madness, so scary good. And I want to thank all you scary son of a guns for stopping by another episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, you'll excuse me. I'm going to eat all this before the trick-or-treaters come because they ain't getting none of this shit. Now, too good for them. They can have some dum-dum suckers that I paid $25 for. My God! Say, Black Iowa, quit complaining about it. I'm not going to. That's crazy. That good, though. See? Solve all your problem with a little bit of that. Yeah. Ooh. Uh-huh. Busted your ass again. See, you think you can get away with this because you do this every year. One year you was in the donuts, the other year you was up in some other shit. I mean, I keep telling you this shit, and every time you come in here, I think you're like a... Stink like that. Have what you want here. A face full of it, buddy. Oh, I don't want to share it with you. If one end smells like that, God, that's scary.